I have a setup here where I'm adding audible reminder along with a visual reminder, this light staying on when it's time to take a medication. For me, I take this allergy medicine every day, and at times I might miss the textual or even the spoken reminder, so I have a reminder light that goes on. In this setup, I'm using a Samsung Galaxy smartphone. Mine is an S10. And I'm using a Bixby routine that loops around and will speak any notifications the phone receives. So it's going to kick off here in just a minute, but what it'll do is it'll speak the reminder, show it, and it'll also turn on the light so that if I'm out of the room at the time.
Pill reminder light, time for your allergy pill. I've turned on the reminder light. Push button after taking the pill.
So it's a multimodal thing here, and you can see, not sure how well you can see the light there changing, but it is changing colors in the background, and it'll stay like that. It's just plugged into a smart plug. How that's controlled is I'm using Samsung SmartThings. I'm using an automation in there, which is like a routine, an if this then that kind of routine, and it's kicked off by a set time of day, turns on the light, creates a notification, which is in turn spoken by the Bixby routine, and so when I finally come back and I take the pill, if I push the button,
button, press it. Thank you for taking your pill. I'm turning off the reminder light.
So again, it's an integration of Samsung SmartThings with Samsung Bixby Routines, using the feature that the routines can speak a notification. And sorry about my automatic trash can opening up there during the demo.